Hi, this is Pete Lyons with Let's Play Salesforce, and today I'm bringing you possibly the most revolutionary Einstein analytics feature ever. Possibly the greatest achievement in analytics since the pie chart, since the abacus. That's right, we are talking about the much hyped AI solution engineer, your magic bullet to any problem in Einstein analytics and beyond. But enough talking about it, let's jump right in and see how it works. So I'm logged in as Batman, as usual, in my trusty developer org. And today I built a dashboard that, I'm not gonna lie, it's not my best work. The color balance could be a little better, but what I'm really concerned about is this broken KPI right here that's being powered by a SQL step. It's throwing an error that, if I wanted to troubleshoot, I could probably identify it, but why should I do the work when I can let Einstein do it for me? So I'm gonna hit Control E to get into my JSON. And then right below the label of the dashboard, I'm going to pass in a new parameter. So far, this feature is only accessible in code, but it's assumed that in a pretty reasonable amount of time, we're going to be able to access this feature through the UI once it's fully past beta and into proper release. So the parameter that I'm going to pass in is going to be Einstein AI solution engineer. And now, much like the integration user, I'm going to need to grant the AI solution engineer access to my org. And the way that I'm going to do that is by passing in the last 5 characters of my org ID. And that, in my case, is going to be APR01. And if I've got that correct, we should see some nice improvements. Okay, we got Astro skipping through the forest. Looks good here. That's a really nice improvement that we're seeing. So first thing that I'm noticing is that it did find the syntax error in my SQL query, and so now that is running properly. That by itself, that's not too impressive. It was a simple syntactical error that I would have picked up with something as basic as JSON lint. But what I also really like about this feature, because I'm just really bad at design, that it aligned all of my widgets and set them to a common color balance. So instead of having this disorganized kind of mess, it kind of put it all together for me, and it helped me to get from that dashboard that, well, yes, I know the answers are there, to a dashboard that really tells us, here are my insights. It put the first things up at the top. It evaluated them based on priority. And the organization and look and feel is just so much better, even though we actually really haven't changed the code much at all. So at this state, we're really somewhere between a pilot and a beta phase, and it's got a lot of promise, and we do see a lot more on the horizon. We know that in subsequent releases, we're going to see that the Einstein AI solution engineer will have the ability to reach into source data systems that it has never touched across verticals that it has no understanding of, and be able to correct data quality issues and scrub that dirty data for you before ever even digesting it into Einstein. So thank you for watching this video on this new amazing emerging feature. Please be advised, it is currently in a closed pilot. If you wish to participate and get early access to this feature, you must contact your AE prior to the first day of Q2 2018. That's first day Q2 2018. So just want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, hit me up on LinkedIn for stubborn determination. And as always,
April Fools!